Okay, we're going to take you back to Ireland a long time ago. We're going to do some old style Irish step dancing. This started about 300 or 400 years ago in Ireland. Each little region had their own little steps. And one of them sort of evolved into the modern step dancing you see today. But old men in the pubs kept this dancing alive, and it's now making a revival. I thought, oh man, this is for me. And there are some communities around Washington and a few other major cities that do some Sean-Oates dancing. It's called Sean-Oates, old style Irish step dancing. You'll notice it's a lot more relaxed than modern step dancing. It's low to the ground like clogging, looks a lot more like clogging. So it's a major root of clogging and tap dancing.